Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about some important and interesting question answer on the topic MS Access 2013. Here we will be describing about the basic concept and the question answer based on the basic concept of MS Access. So student, let's start. Question 1. A dash is an organized collection of related data so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. So answer options are database, information, DBMS and none. So student, the answer will be database, because a database is an organized collection of related data so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Question number 2. A dash is a software program that enables us to create, modify and extract data from a database. So options are database, information, DBMS, none. The answer will be DBMS. Student, DBMS is a software that provides a platform where we can create, modify, extract data from database and table. Question number 3. A DBMS based on the relational data model stores data in the form of table and is called dash. Options are database, DBMS, RDBMS, none. Students, the option will be RDBMS. RDBMS is called Relational Database Management System. It is a software that is based on relational data model that stores the data in the form of table. Question number 4. Which of the following are advantages of DBMS? Options are reduces data redundancy, maintains consistency, provides security, all of these. Students, the answer will be all of this, because a database provides some advantages like reduces data redundancy, maintains consistency, provides security, all of these. So the answer will be all of this. Question number 5. The duplication of data is referred to as data dash. The options are inconsistency, redundancy, security, none. The options will be redundancy. Student, the data duplicity in database is called redundancy. Redundancy is a technical term. Redundancy means data duplicity. So database, in the database, if you have some duplicate data, then it will be a redundant data. Question number 6. Multiple mismatching copies of the same data are known as data dash. The options are inconsistency, redundancy, security, none. The answer is inconsistency. If you have multiple mismatching copy of the same record in different tables, that means if you have the different mismatching copies of the same record of a same student in different tables, then this mismatching is called data inconsistency. Question number 7. A database imposes user ID and password for every user and also imposes limited access on the data inside database is called security. Student, security is provided by the database, by which the database gives user ID and password to the user of the database, and thus database provides the security of the database. Question number 8. The databases created in Access 2013 are saved with dash extension. Options are .db, .doc, .accdb and none. So student, the option will be .accdb, because if you save a database as a database file, the options will be, the extension of the file will be .accdb. So question number 9. In MS Access, a table, a report, form or a query are treated as object. Student, you will remember in MS Access, a table, a report, a form, a query, all will be treated as object. Question number 10. Dash is an object of MS Access where data is saved in the form of rows and columns. Student, the answer will be table. Table is an object inside MS Access software, within which, that means within table, we can save data in the form of row and column. Question number 11. A table is also referred to as relation in RDBMS. The option will be relation. That is the answer. Student, you will always remember a table is called relation in RDBMS. or relational database management system. Question number 12. Dash provides user interface that lets the user enter and change data in tables. So student, the answer will be form. Form is an object and form is created from the table, and within the form you can change some data and the data change will be reflected in the related table. You remember this. Question number 13. Dash let us find and work on the data resulting from one or multiple tables based on the specific condition. So student, what will be the answer of this? So student, dash let us find and work on the data resulting from one or multiple tables based on the specific condition. The answer will be, student, you remember, query. So student, the answer will be query. Query is the object within the MS Access, and query is made from the table, and query provides you the data based on the query or condition. Question number 14. Dash is used to display and data stored in data table in professional format in printing purpose. So the options, the correct option is report. Student, you will remember that report is an object in the MS Access software, and report is made from the table, and report provides you the final layout, the final output of a table for the printing purpose. Question number 15. Dash displays the names of all the objects in the database. The correct option will be navigation pane. Student, in the navigation pane you can see all the opened object in MS Access software. You can see the open table, report, form, query, all the forms, tables, queries, reports of MS Access software within the navigation pane. Question number 16. The column in table are known as, student, the column in table is known as attribute. So remember, the table column or table field is known as attribute. Question number 17. The short text, long text, number, all are dash in MS Access. Student, these all are data type in MS Access. Short text, long text, number, these all are data types in MS Access. The field with dash data type can store files such as Word document, Excel file, and so on. Student, the option will be OLE object. OLE object is the option that you can set as a data type for a field, and based on that field you can attach the Word document, Excel file with that data field. Question number 19. The fields with the dash data can store links to website and email address. So the option will be hyperlink. Hyperlink is a data type that you can set for a field, and if you set hyperlink data type for a field, within that field you can mention the email address or website address. Question number 20. The field with dash data type can store files. For fields with this data type, multiple files can be attached. So student, the answer will be attachment. Attachment is a data type. You can set attachment data type for a field, and then the field can contain the link for the multiple files. That means with that field multiple files can be attached. Question number 21. Dash is a field or combination of field that uniquely identifies each record. So student, the answer will be primary key. You remember, primary key is a field, primary key is an attribute, and the field value or the attribute value will be unique for each and every record, and this field will be uniquely identify each and every record or row in the table. So question number 22. Which of the following is our important views of the table? Design view, data view, both of these. So the answer will be both of these. Both of these are important views. Question number 23. Dash view allows user to make structure of the table. Student, the design view. Design view helps to make the structure of the table. Okay. Question number 24. Dash view allows user to input data. So data sheet view. In the datasheet view, we input data in the table. Question number 25. Dash tab is used to bring and construct a customized table in the MS Access. Option create. With the create tab, we create new table. Question number 26. Dash property is used to specify a value that gets displayed automatically when the records are there. So default value. Default value is the thing for which we can set default value for a field. Question number 28. 7 dash property can set for the field short text or number type. Student, question number 26. Dash property is used to specify a value that gets displayed automatically when a record are created. So option is default value. Default value is a field property, and by the default value you can set a fixed value, a default value for a field, and if you do not give any value to that field, automatically the default value will be placed in that field. Question number 27. Dash property can be set for a field with short text or number data types. So which property can be set for the fields with short text or number data type? That is the field size. Field size is the property that you can set for the short text or number data type. Question number 28. Dash property can have only two values, yes or no? Student, the answer is required. Required is a field property, and for this field property you can set two values, yes or no. Only one value you can set. So thank you, student.